Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist. Today I'm going to take you around this 2012 Mini Cooper S. So this is the late 2012 62 plate Mini Cooper S with just shy of 70,000 miles on the clock. I'll take you around once and then we'll dive in for a closer look. Now we've done the cam chain on this car and the oil filter housing, which is a regular oil leak spot. So we've done all of that already. Refurbished wheels, bodywork is in good condition, and it's got great history. So that's the once round. There's no real dinks on the car that I'm aware of. So there's some stone chips, minor stone chips really here and there on the bonnet, as you'd expect for a 10-year-old car. This tyre is in good condition. Wheel is of course unmarked, being refurbished. No car parking bruises that I can see down this side. And if we look down here, the same. It's all in good nick. This tyre in good condition. Wheel is of course refurbished. And then rear bumper looks good. I think there's just a bit of dust or something on there, but it's in not bad condition at all. Coming around this side, rear wheel, tyre is excellent. Wheel is of course refurbished. And then there's no major car parking bruises that I can see at all on this car actually. And then back around to the front, and here we have another good tyre and a refurbished wheel. So that's the once around detail. Let's have a look inside. So in the boot, everything's present. The parcel shelf's present. Then under the floor there we have the repair kit, which is complete. So that's all looking good. From the driver's side, door card is in good condition. Half leather seats, they're not bad at all. Let's get in. So from the driver's seat we have, if you've not seen a Mini before, that's the key on this generation anyway, and it goes into that slot like that. Press the clutch, press the button, the car starts up, and in a minute all the lights will go out. Apart from the fact that it's telling you it's very cold outside and we've got a bulb out somewhere, we'll fix that. So there we are. Radio wise, fairly standard. We have tuner, DAB, CD and auxiliary, and then just a couple of config things, so that's all good. Down here we have the sport button, the turn off the start stop, and the ski control here. We've got an auxiliary in down here, windows, central locking, but the doors lock when you drive off anyway, and the rear fog lights, and then you've got the heater controls here and the CD player. So in summary then, we have a 2012, September 2012 I believe, 62 plate Mini Cooper S. It's got the later engine. It's the N18 for those who know Minis. It's got about 190 horsepower, which is an awful lot in a small little package like this. It makes it very quick. Pleasure to drive. Come along, have a look, see if you like it. I think you will. Thanks for watching.